Hello and welcome. I'm Bhavya Khanna from India Today Gaming, and today we are at Esports Community and Industry Summit ESCOM 2024, happening currently at Talkatora Stadium, New Delhi. And we have with us a very special guest, Mr. Kush Mehrotra, who is the Vice President of MapMy India. My first question to you would be regarding the brief history of MapMy India, about its navigation system. Could you just elaborate upon the vision and the mission of it?
Sure. Thanks for the opportunity. As you mentioned, my name is Kush Mehrotra. I'm the Vice President of MapMy India. So we in MapMy India do mapping as a service, system as a service, software as a service, and platform as a service. We have been doing this from last 3 decades. We expertise in providing hardware solutions where we manufacture the vehicle location tracking devices, a lot of IoT sensors. So in the IoT sensors, the PVT data, that's the position, velocity and time we calculate, and we ensure that this data goes to different type of databases and create different type of mobile apps or web apps. So somewhere or the other, we contribute to the authentication, authorization, encryption and decryption rights in a lot of platforms and ensure a turnkey solution in the IoT world. We provide to different type of users, whether they are in B2G, B2B, B2B, B2C segment.
All right. What primarily distinguishes MapMy India from other navigation or mapping systems, for example, Google Maps?
This question is very valid. Whereas we have been doing the diligence effort into the mapping engine before the Google Maps in India, and we have been doing our physical and the actual diligence GIS service, ensuring that the accuracy part, the authentication, the authorization, the encryption part is ensured while we do mapping as a service. In this, we also do the point of intersect layer inculcation into the system, which ensures that the accuracy goes to the nth level.
Okay. What are the key industries that benefit from MapMy India?
It's like the nth number of industries we cater. It's the entire transport industry, the automotive industry. So once we say the automotive industry, all the 66 OEMs where we see, so we give the either offline maps or online maps. And not only that, we, as I mentioned, we manufacture the IoT sensors. So we also contribute to giving the physical vehicle location tracking devices.
So lastly, what are the current loopholes that you might encounter, some of the key hurdles that you might face, and what are the probable solutions to it?
So if I talk about the inclusiveness of the e-sport industry, what I find that the certification and compliances is essential for the programs which are being made, whether it is in Java, whether it is in advanced Java, whether it is in .NET or maybe new databases which has come into consideration, where we ensure that any of the candidate who plays the e-game, he puts his credit card details, and those credit card details are not leaked and any type of scamming or cyber attacks don't happen. So the applications has to be all ISO certified. It has to be ISO 9001 enabled, 14,000, 27,000, 45,000. And the e-gaming company should minimum be CMM3 level standard. That's the capability maturity model, ensuring that no shortcuts to making the code or maybe breaking the code happens. And that only happens once the company functions in all the 6 functions of management, whether it's the planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, coordination, and ensuring all the technological international protocols are being followed by that specific organization. So I would say that the e-gaming industry is inclusive and exponentially growing, but the shortcuts would not lead to the actual sustainable growth of the e-industry, which is being required in the international market.
Of course, definitely agree to this. And thank you so much for this lovely interaction, for this lovely interview. I hope our audience definitely benefits from this and acquires as much as possible. Thank you so much. Keep following India Today Gaming for more such latest news updates.